Realme Pad V4 10.4 inches AMOLED display, decent camera setup on both ends, MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with 4GB RAM, massive 7100 mAh battery compatible with 30 watts fast charging, 4G VO LTE voice and video calling compatible, built-in stylus holder, unibody aluminum design, 64GB expandable internal storage, loudspeaker. Verdict: Realme Pad is an absolute powerhouse offering seamless visuals and a lag-free operational experience for you to enjoy. Moreover, you can also trust the 4G voice calling tablet with prolonged video calls, entertainment and professional tasks. While investing in the particular, you get to make a choice between gray and silver. Experience details and seamless connectivity with Realme. Display and camera. Realme Pad comes with a 10.4 inches AMOLED display, comprising 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution besides 253p pixel density. Moreover, the tablet also gets a screen-to-body ratio of 68.11%. Realme has placed an 8MP primary camera on the backside of the tablet, inclusive of features like continuous shooting, HDR mode, face detection, touch to focus, exposure compensation, ISO control and digital zoom. Another 8MP primary camera is also placed on the front of the tablet, facilitating seamless selfie sessions and video calls. Configuration and battery. Realme has equipped the pad with MediaTek Helio G80 chipset and 4GB RAM. It also includes an octa-core processor comprising dual-core 2 GHz Cortex-A75 and hexa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55 layout. Moreover, a Mali G52MC2 GPU looks after the graphical needs. The tablet comes loaded with a powerful 7100 mAh Li polymer battery compatible with a 30 watts fast charging system. Storage and connectivity. Realme has placed 64GB of internal storage within the device, which can be extended up to 512GB. On the connectivity side, the 4G VO LTE voice calling tablet comes equipped with options like Bluetooth V5.2, a GPS, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 800 2.11, B/G/N and mobile hotspot. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.